I enjoy using the F2 button the right way so much. This makes working with functions and data entry so much easier. Okay, let's get to it. The default settings for the F2 key allow you to edit a cell's content directly. See? If I press F2, I'll be able to see the formula contained in this cell here. Also, if I double-click, the same will happen, and I'll be able to edit directly in the cell. But this is a bit impractical, because I'm already able to see the formula contained in this cell in the formula bar. And also, I'll lose the functionality to double-click on a formula and trace its inputs in different sheets. We already saw how to do that. We also saw how to untick the Allow Editing Directly in Cells option. Chances are you've kept this setting in your Excel, and that's already done. I've enabled Allow Editing Directly in Cells for the purposes of this video, so I'll untick it once more. Now when I press F2, I am able to see a formula's inputs highlighted when they are a part of the same worksheet. That's very intuitive and helpful when you construct formulas, or when you simply want to understand what's been included in a given calculation. Moreover, when you click on F2, the formula bar is activated, and you are able to change formulas and numerical inputs without touching the mouse. F2 is one of the most important shortcuts when performing data entry, as it helps you open the formula bar instantly and type in the input you had in mind.